today you're gonna open these and these. I want to use this for my homework. So let's begin. So I'm gonna grab the scissors for that.
So you got this, she got this one on Christmas.
So here's silk nice. So my mom already opened it. So let's open it. And this is how we got. And this is from
Oh wow. Oh, and it has 10 pieces. Yeah, 10 pieces of supply kit. Okay, you show it.
Supplies.
That's for your. Show it first. Show it to the camera. So you tell us. So you have. What are these?
Pencils.
And then there's a pen.
This is scissors. This is where you put trash.
Sharpener.
Sharpener.
And then this one is your eraser. This one is your ruler. And a pencil case. I like it.
And how are we gonna get out?
Oh, huh?
How are we gonna get out?
Yeah, you can take it out. And then you also have another one. Oh, these are really nice. This is really good for you because you're gonna be, because we need another folder. So all your informational writing are gonna be in here. Oh, and the other one, this is nice. And the other one, oh yeah, because you have the green folder, so you can make use of that. And this one too. You can make use of this as your journal. So you have all the Disney princesses in there. Okay. You want me to open that?
Yeah.
Okay. But I think so in order for you to be yeah, so it's not gonna be a mess. Always put this one back in the bag. Okay, here. Let me do it.
This is how I got in one time. I like it. Pencils, pink and blue.
And then we have a new scissor ring. It's really nice. I like it.
I like it too.
Oh, you can put your, you can put it here. Your pencil,
And I can
pencils,
dump
and
it.
then yeah, you can just dump it when you have a trash in there.
Yeah,
You can put this in here too, because this one will fit. Okay, try.
Okay.
You can. No, I'm talking about this. You can
Oh,
always.
this one
You can sharpen it. Yes. Yeah, it will fit here, and also your sharpener. Okay, and just put it there so you can show another stuff. Oh, the ruler too. No, you have to put it here so you won't lose it. I know, but you still have another stuff to open, so. The eraser is so cute too. It's Belle
Oh, Mama, look.
from Beauty and the Beast.
Look. It can also change to this.
Oh yeah, I didn't know that. That's cool.
Here's this.
Yeah, better than the other. Well, the red one, the red sharpener that you have, you can also.
Yeah, you can also open it, but it's hard for opening it for me. I can open it.
You can open it.
Yeah, but this one is much more better.
Oh, okay. You just have to be careful when you open it, okay?
Crash, it will spread everywhere.
Yes, and it's
if you
gonna
do
be
it
messy.
again, it will be fine, and it's still not good. Do it.
Okay, but first let's show this one. This is actually a coloring activity, and this is a Color Wonder Mess Free from Crayola. So it won't color on skin, furniture, or fabric. Colors only on special paper. So it has special paper that comes with it. Okay, come on, and show us what's inside there. Are you excited?
And pencil and cookies.
Okay, Kuya is here.
Again.
So how many coloring pens do you have in there?
4.
4? Can you show us the colors? Can you show us the colors in there?
Wait. 5.
And show us the colors.
So.
No, here. Show us the colors. Oh, that's the special paper. Baby, show the colors.
We have teal blue or cyan blue, and we have skin.
Orange.
Orange, it looks like skin. Now we have red, and we have blue. We have purple. My favorite is purple and blue, but Messi likes blue.
Kuya likes blue. Kuya likes red. Right, Kuya? Okay, and these are the special paper that comes with it. So all she need to do is to color it. So these are all already, these are ready. Wow, there's no color, right? Okay, let's open this thing. So it has no color, but once you start writing on the paper or start coloring it, you will see the color. This one, see that? It doesn't write, or it has no color. But the moment you start, okay, let's do Moana. This Moana, Baba, right?
Yeah.
Okay, and okay,
You
yeah.
have to wait for a long time and look.
Yeah, you have to wait. Oh, that's cool.
Or you
Okay,
can
show
just
it.
blow it.
Kuya, do you want to help us coloring, Kuya?
Yeah.
Okay, we will try to save some of the papers, so you guys...
See? Faster when you blow it.
Oh, really? So, you guys, I'm only gonna give you one paper right now, and then you can color this.
What do you want me to give?
Actually, these are all girl stuff, but I'm just gonna let you, because Kuya is more artistic. Which one do you want?
Maybe
do you want
it's for girls and boys.
Princess Jasmine, and you want Ariel, or you want Moana?
No, the skin color should be this.
Cassie was saying for the orange. She doesn't want to call it orange because it's a skin color. So. This is
You missed
there are actually
keeps on changing colors. Look.
oh yeah?
Oh, it's
So-
coated by something.
I think so, because look at this one. Yeah, when I put it, it's coated with something, I think. I tried this one. Look at the Moana. When I do like this, see that? No, look at the camera here. It's already, it seems like, look at this one. Yeah, it seems like she has lipstick on, right?
Yeah,
If
but
you do like
there's
that-
nothing.
I know, right? But there's okay. If I do like that, but see, there's none. But if
That's weird, right?
yeah, it is, right? I don't know if it's just because of the reflection or what. Okay, like what you said, it's like there's a color inside it already. So
It's coated.
yeah, it's coated, and then this one.
Cause look, you can see there's a. Wait.
nice.
That's why it's called a special
Yeah.
paper.
Yeah, and also you can see there's like a pattern right here.
Oh, that's right. Okay, let's try to do it, and
I'm
then
gonna try to keep on coloring this area.
And I'm gonna color this one.
wait. Do we have black on this one? No, we don't have one.
No.
Only in normal colors.
Normal color.
These are normal. Even black is normal.
Missy, there's no black on here.
Something really is in here.
Yeah.
And the beast. Looks like. You can see.
That's Belle. But show how you guys are going to. Come on, Cass, go.
Can I
go.
help?
Yeah. Give it to Cassie and then finish yours, Kuya. So we can finish one.
I want
activity.
Missy to help me.
We're gonna have.
They call me man.
We're going to have
Polish.
different activity. Like you can color one and Kuya's for one picture.
Nail polish.
Why do I
So
have
you're
to
coloring-
color Cassie these? These are for girls.
No, it's for
Well,
good.
you just wanted to try.
Yeah.
You wanna finish it or no?
Nah.
So Cassie's doing Belle, and then you're doing Ariel. Well, you can show them.
Ariel.
So Kuya wants to show you something that he just made too. Get your Legos.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you don't want to do this thing.
So here it
Oh
is.
no. So while he was taking his break, so he was also doing his Lego, which was given by Auntie Kai or and Mikey. Babes, are you sure you want to
But
color that?
also,
Color this side
it's
here.
also very sharp. You can see right here.
It's not showing, Baba.
Mama, look.
These claws are very
Wait,
sharp.
I know what he's talking about.
Mm-hmm.
It's
So
from
be
the movie.
Yeah, I told you it's from the movie Beauty and the Beast.
No, it's not the Beauty and the Beast.
Yeah, that's Belle, babes. You don't know. We need to watch Beauty and the Beast again because I love that movie.
Look, she has a present.
I am.
And this is what I made the pants. Turn slide. Looks nice.
Put it here.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
So this is Belle, but I don't know what happened. You put something on Belle's face. You colored it with blue.
Blue, blue.
It looks nice though. But mine, I'm not done yet. So I'm trying to color Princess Jasmine. So it's not done yet. You have hiccups? You okay?